With the runaway success crossover SUVs are having in the United States, it's only natural that auto manufacturers diversify their product lines to offer an SUV for every niche. The hottest subcategory right now is CUVs, short for compact utility vehicles. This 2018 Chevrolet Trax LT is GM's contribution to the genre. LT models come equipped with LED daytime running lights as well as roof racks for added storage. One push of a button is all you need to spark the 1.4-liter turbocharged Ecotec engine, good for up to 33 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, you'll find mixed media upholstery and tasteful patterns, contributing to the LT trim's more upscale appeal. This model also happens to have 2 USB ports. This Trax happens to be equipped with front-wheel drive, but all-wheel drive is available and quite useful in Maryland winters. Inside, plenty of LCD screens let you know what's going on, especially the standard 7-inch touchscreen display with integrated Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This Trax even has GM's built-in 4G LTE Wi-Fi. If you drive in Baltimore regularly, you'll certainly appreciate the Trax's raised ride height as you traverse over potholes. The rear seats are plenty spacious, and there's even a 120-volt plug for your passengers to plug their electronic devices into. Fold down the rear seats and the Trax can easily accommodate items up to 8 feet long with the front passenger seat folded down. If you want a vehicle with the raised height and all-weather performance of an SUV, coupled with the storage capacity and maneuverability of a compact hatchback, the Chevy Trax is definitely worth your time, and we invite you to come down and test drive one today.